Here's a quick update on how I am with the XS650 build. This is the first time today that I've managed to push it out of the garage after putting the back wheel on it. Yeah, the wheels were a bit of a disaster really, because I had a couple of old wheels that I asked to get blast cleaned and they shot blast them and completely ruined them. That's one of the wheels that are on the back there now. So I've got to source another back wheel really, because that one's fucking had it. Side panels to spray up, new tank, all the bits and pieces put together. It runs but the battery's flat at the moment. See if I can, I've got a battery on charge around the house, so give that a go. This is one of the old wheels which come with the frame originally, and because they had a white wall tyre on it, Keith suggested that I put both the white wall tyres on them. So that's what we've got on at the moment. A few new bits and pieces. Got the light out my Triumph I put on there, the Lucas light out my Triumph, put that on. And cheapo Chinese replica of a Yamaha master cylinder. I found the bars in the garage, which I quite like them. They're sort of like flat tracker style bars, I suppose. I've got to swap the speedo over because that speedo don't work. Got a seat from the States, which was a right mess, and I'll give it a good wash and use some leather treatment on it, and it's come up pretty good. Got back brakes to do still. Got them to bleed. So apart from the back brakes really, and the chain, once I've got the back brakes and the chain on it, it's probably rideable. And there it is. Maybe about another 2 or 3 weeks. I'm not sure if I'll be able to get the side panels sprayed now. And I've got I just put them air filters on temporary at the moment, so I've got the original air filters and air filter housing to go in there. But yeah, weather. If this weather holds up, I should be able to spray the side panels and put them on, and then clean up everything, clean up the wheels, make it look a bit respectable. So that's how far I've got at the moment with it. I've got twins now. Let me show you. So here are the twins. This one's black and gold, the new one, and the old one is black and silver. So compare the two. The tanks are different, believe it or not. One's an older type tank, probably like a mid-70s tank, and the tank on the L-Bite's the special type tank. See the difference in the tanks. Apart from it needs a clean, you've got the cap to the side, to the right hand side slightly, and it's a bit smaller than the one on this bike, whereas the cap's in the centre, plus it holds a bit more. Getting a bit grubby now. I've been using it quite a bit. See the difference in the bars. They're T140 bars on there. And this are a little bit wider tracker bars. Not as I am, it's just a little bit wider. Original exhausts. Aftermarket exhausts. Do like the sound of these ones though. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.